The DIY process begins by connecting an OBD2 scanner to the car's diagnostic port. This port is typically located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Next, cycle the ignition to enter programming mode. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off, repeating this process several times as instructed by your scanner. Use the scanner to write the new key's transponder code to the body control module. Follow the scanner's prompts to complete this step. Many modern scanners come with mobile apps that guide you through the process step by step. Ensure you have the correct key blank, as incorrect ones can cause programming failures. Use a GM-compatible blank like HU101. Vehicle-specific firmware updates are crucial. Check forums like gmtrucks.com for user experiences and updates. If you encounter issues like theft deterrent failed or BCM glitches, try resetting the module through the scanner. If unsuccessful, professional locksmith services are recommended to avoid further complications. Remember that failure rates are 25% higher for amateurs, and failed attempts can lead to ECM replacements costing $500 plus.